the difference between fever and malaria. I made a post a few minutes ago and I said, no be every fever no be the same thing as malaria. No be every fever be malaria. People can't they shout. What are you talking about? Okay, so let's break it down quickly. Now, waiting the fever. Good. Fever, hear me, means increased body temperature, number one. Number two, fever na sign say something they go on for your body. I don't know whether you hear me. Fever, when you hear the word fever, it means say your body temperature don't go up. It don't go up. Full stop. Fever again, na sign say something they make your body temperature go up. Now, your body, they keep your temperature normal. The way your body did, the way your body take arrange, we get things inside your body where they make your temperature they normal. But you get some kind things will go happen to your body, your temperature will go up. But our people believe that whenever their temperature go up, and malaria be that, which is absolutely wrong. So I want to tell you right now, waiting they cause fever. If you just they come, you dey welcome. For those who they watch me for the very first time, you dey welcome. And for here, I teach, and I teach, making it simple for you like ABC. We don't prescribe medications here. I don't treat anybody online. I just teach you. You understand? I go beg you. I will encourage you to see your doctor if you get any medical problem. All I do on my page, as little as I can, is to just give you medical information. The next thing will be very, very important to everybody listening to me right now. So waiting can they make my temperature go up? Why am I having increased body temperature? If all you are saying is that fever is not malaria, okay, then why is my temperature high? And you say it's not malaria. So good, let's go together. The very common thing where they make people get fever and infection. Infection. So when I asked the question a few minutes ago, somebody said infection. But infection, na big topic, big word. So there are many types of infection that can make your body have temperature. Infection, they make people body get high temperature. But listen carefully. Bacteria fit cause infection. Fungi fit cause infection. Virus fit cause infection. Parasites fit cause infection. So bacteria can give you fever. Bacterial infection, viral infection, fungal infection, parasitic infection. See my hand. Bacteria is number 1. Viral, number 2. Fungal infection, number 3. Parasite, number 4. Malaria is under parasites. You see am so? Malaria is caused by Plasmodium. Plasmodium na parasite where the female Anopheles mosquito they put for the body. So when the female Anopheles mosquito bites you, it go give you the Plasmodium, the parasite. When that parasite enter your body, complaints, it go cause you one of the signs, fever. But other things will cause fever. Bacterial infection, streptococcal infection will give you fever. Viral infection. Which common viral infection now? HIV is a viral infection. Herpes is a viral infection. Your influenza is a viral infection. Fungal infection. Your candidiasis is a fungal infection. If it give you fever, your bacterial infection again, your salmonella, your urinary tract infection, they will give you fever. It makes sense, abi it no make sense. Another thing wey fit make your body temperature go up, wey fit make you get fever, high temperature, wey no be malaria, na severe forms of stress. Stress, you fit dey stressed and your body go start to dey react. Your body go dey tell you say there's a problem, I'm not okay, I'm not fine. Why? You are overworking me. And one sign where your body go show you na fever. Your body will give it high temperature. But our people, whenever they hear say their body temperature go up, the next thing you go hear is I get malaria. It dey make us vexed. Well, we dey vex because we don teach you, but you no wan hear. For those wey no know, we no go vex for them. But for those wey dey like you now, wey dey hear me, you wey I don teach you tire, you know they wan hear. It's not malaria. However, malaria na one of the things wey fit cause fever. But some people no get malaria, yet dem get fever. But for them, whenever they get high body temperature and fever, they go think say na malaria. They will go buy anti-malaria, and then they go come on my page. They go come tell me say, doctor, I dey drink malaria medicine every time. Yet, you know they go. I dey always get fever every month. You know they go. You don't know say no be malaria be your problem. Maybe now stress be your problem, or maybe now another thing where they affect your immune system. Now another thing wey fit cause fever, na problem with the immune system. E get wetin we dey call autoimmune disorders. Autoimmune disorders. Autoimmune mean say the person immune system go dey fight am, and e get some kind sicknesses wey dey under that category wey fit still give you fever, but you go dey blame malaria. Example, SLE, wetin we dey call systemic lupus erythematosus. Forget about the big name, don't worry about it, abeg. SLE. Another one na rheumatoid arthritis. Another one na vasculitis. These are autoimmune, dem plenty. Dem plenty well. Another thing wey fit cause fever na medication. E get some kind medicines wey you go take, your body go react, you go get fever, but you go dey blame malaria. Example, some antibiotics. You get the kind of antibiotics wey somebody go take, the person go develop fever, the body go hot. You understand? Yeah, that one there. Then another thing again wey fit cause fever, which we dey call hemolytic anemia. Hemolytic anemia. See, abeg, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not here to impress anybody. I'm not here to blow medical grammar to make you impressed. I'm just here to tell you some few stuff. So whenever you hear me mention some kind of medical name, just leave am. No crack your brain. I just dey let you know, say many things dey wey dey cause fever. So I dey list their names for you. You understand? Now, why people dey always talk say na malaria be their fever? You know why? Malaria dey very common. For those living in Africa, West African region, Nigeria, Ghana, the West African region, malaria dey very common. So whenever the person get malaria, the person will get fever. But that no mean say if you get fever now, it is malaria. No. But your doctor go wan confirm if this fever na malaria dey cause am or not. That is why they always test you for malaria, because malaria dey very common. But if your doctor tests you for malaria and they discover say the malaria dey negative, you no get malaria, e go tell you say your result is negative, you no get malaria, but you no go believe, because your mind don tell you say as long as I get fever, na malaria I get. So let me tell you a story.